Hello everyone, my name is Aline Nunes. I'm a professional nail technician for 13 years. I started doing the nails in Brazil, doing my family's nails, and today I have my own salon in USA. So today is gonna be my first video, and I'm gonna show you how to do 5 types of French manicure. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare the nails to do the gel polish and the French manicure. The first step that I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna shape her nails. Just make sure her nails it's prepared shape the way the client wants. The second step that you're gonna do, even when it's fake nails like she have or in a natural nails, you always need to take the shine of the natural nails or the fake nails so the gel polish can hold. If you don't take the shine of the nails very well, the nail polish, the gel polish never gonna stay. They're gonna lift and come out easy like in 1 week or less. So right now we're gonna put the pH to take all the oil that she have on her nails. You're gonna apply on the whole natural nails, the natural base, so the polish can hold well. Right now we're gonna apply the base coat and the purity and the cure for 60 seconds on the lamp that you have. I'm gonna show five types of French manicure that you can do it. On this one, I'm gonna do the Popular Española. It's just like half a tip of the nails. Right, this one we're gonna do the square French. It's very popular right now. So you do 2 lines very straight on a side. And like a thin line, and then a straight line on the tip. You can do this one with different colors. They're gonna look very nice. On this one we're gonna do the smile French. This one is the one everyone get, and you can do any type of shape. The nails, square, round, coffin, they always gonna look good. So you can do the 3 points from here to there, 2 and 1 in the middle, and then cross the line to make sure the French gonna look even both sides. So I like to have my line of the smile French very clean and deep. So I use this kind of brush, wet on acetone or non-polish acetone, and just touch here doing the half a moon. On this one we're gonna do the V French. You're gonna cut half of the both side. So the best way to do it is do like a V line, and then after you just fill the space on the side. on this last one, we're gonna do the straight French. So you can do the very thin one, like this is the popular one in Brazil. We love to have like a very thin French. This is the thin one. Or you can do the middle one. Or you can do the large one. Depends of the size, the client's nails. So after you finish to do the French, you put in a lamp that you have, UV or LD. You can put for 60 seconds to 2 minutes, depend what lamp that you have. If your lamp is up to 42 W, you can leave just 60 seconds. They're gonna be cured and they're gonna be all set. So now you have two options to do your nails, to do your French. Or you can leave like pink and white, light like that. Or you can do one or two coats of a white, like a clear white. They're gonna look very good on the French. I love it when I put a clear white base on top of the French. Make a different look. So this is how my French looks like. You can have the second option is the translucent pink. So this is the second option of a French base, is the translucent white or milk white. You can use just one coat like I used today, or if you can apply two coats, they're gonna be a little bit more white than this one. Right now, we're gonna put it to cure it for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna go for the last step. So the last step that we're gonna do it to finish the nails today is apply the top coat. This top coat that I'm using is no cleanser, so when you use this kind of top coat, it's very good because you don't need to put alcohol to take the glue on the end, and they're gonna look shiny. So now I'm gonna show you guys some nice top coat that I got yesterday from my friend, and this is it's amazing. I love the idea. It's a top coat with a glitter. You can put on top any polish you want. Right now I'm gonna show you how gonna looks very nice on top of the French. This glitter is a CND shellac. It's very nice, very nice. I love it, I love it. So we're going to apply the top coat glitter on top of the French. Look how nice it is. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Look how nice it is. Just one coat and your nail's gonna be done. Look how nice it is. So here we have two options of a top coat and gel to finish the gel polish. Here I use the clear color to finish, so ours gonna looks very shiny like now. And this one is the new technique that I found, that is a top coat glitter. Just one coat on the, when you finish the polish that you want, and that's it. Gonna looks nice and shiny like that. So I hope you guys like my first video, and I hope you enjoy our Brazilian technique of a French manicure. And if you want to learn anything different, you can let the comment down here, and please give me a like. Thank you.